Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure retirement funds with Vanguard, beginner guide step by step clearly. To secure retirement funds with Vanguard, start by visiting the Vanguard website. Create an account by clicking on the Open an Account option. Select the type of account you wish to open, such as an individual retirement account or a brokerage account. Complete the online application form by entering your personal information. Provide your financial details, including your income and investment goals. Review your information to ensure everything is accurate. Submit your application to create your new account. Once your account is created, log in to access your account dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available tools. Next, decide on your investment strategy based on your risk tolerance and retirement timeline. Browse Vanguard's fund offerings, including index funds and ETFs. Consider starting with a diversified index fund to spread your risk. Use Vanguard's retirement planning tools, such as the Retirement Nest Egg Calculator. This tool helps estimate how much you'll need to save for retirement. Once you've chosen your investments, transfer funds into your Vanguard account. Use a simple transfer process to move money from your bank account. Monitor your investments regularly through your dashboard. Reassess your portfolio annually to align with your retirement goals. Make adjustments as necessary, based on market conditions or life changes. Remember to take advantage of tax-advantaged account features, if available. Consider setting up automatic contributions to grow your retirement savings consistently. Stay informed about market trends and investment options through Vanguard's educational resources. Review your investment performance quarterly to ensure it meets your expectations. With patience and discipline, you can secure your retirement funds effectively with Vanguard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.